5 simple steps to improve posture and reduce back pain. Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss that affects many of us: posture and back pain. Whether you're sitting at a desk all day or hunching over your phone, poor posture can lead to discomfort and long-term health issues. But don't worry, because in this video, we'll share some simple steps to improve your posture and reduce back pain. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's take a moment to understand why good posture is essential. Maintaining proper alignment of the spine not only helps prevent back pain but also improves breathing, digestion, and overall body function. So, let's straighten up and get those spines in shape. Step 1. Assess your posture. The first step in improving your posture is to assess how you currently stand, sit, or move throughout the day. Stand in front of a mirror and take note of any imbalances, such as rounded shoulders or an arched lower back. Awareness is the key to making positive changes. Step 2. Strengthen your core. A strong core is crucial for maintaining good posture. Engaging your core muscles helps support your spine and keeps it in proper alignment. Incorporate exercises like planks, bridges, and bird dogs into your fitness routine to strengthen your core and improve your posture. Step 3. Stretch regularly. Sitting or standing for prolonged periods can cause tight muscles, leading to poor posture. Regular stretching helps alleviate muscle tension and improves flexibility. Focus on stretching your chest, neck, hip flexors, and hamstrings to counteract the effects of prolonged sitting. Step 4. Ergonomics at work and home. Pay attention to your work and home environments, as they can greatly impact your posture. Ensure that your workstation is ergonomically set up with a comfortable chair, an adjustable desk, and proper monitor placement. At home, choose supportive furniture and maintain good posture during daily activities. Step 5. Mindful movement and body awareness. Incorporate mindful movement practices into your daily routine, such as yoga or Tai Chi. These activities promote body awareness, balance, and proper alignment. Additionally, practicing mindfulness can help you catch yourself slouching and make adjustments to maintain good posture. And there you have it, brothers and sisters. Simple steps to improve your posture and reduce back pain. Remember, good posture is not just about looking confident. It's about taking care of your overall well-being. Let's make a conscious effort to sit and stand tall, strengthening our bodies and improving our quality of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.